Hi friends, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. Today I have a lot of clearance I want to show you guys. So I went shopping after Christmas. I found a lot of good stuff. A lot of these stuff is from Target. Only one certain item is from Walmart. And yeah, so let's get started. I want to show you guys what I got from Walmart first. These Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. Okay, so they're 75% off. Originally they're about $3.88 at Walmart, so about 97 cents. I grabbed a whole bunch of them. Mom is, I think, my new favorite. It smells so good. I got a lot. Okay, and they're 97 cents. Can't believe it. Even when they were 50 cents, even when they were half off, they were still $1 something, and that would still be good enough for me, you know, because Mrs. Meyer's, come on. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to Target. So some of these, well, most of these are from Hearth and Hand. They are 70% off. Let's start off with this kids bakery set. Okay, I think they're like $64.99. So I paid about $20, 19 something. Yep. So I found 4 of these bakery set, and I got all 4. Next is this letter to Santa. It is $39.99. So it's about $12-ish. Next is these lanterns. This is the smaller size. Okay, originally $22.99. So they came out to about 6 something. Okay, and this is the bigger version. This is $29.99, so it's about 8 something, $8.99. So I got 4 of these big ones and 2 of the smaller ones. I'm very excited about these lanterns. Okay, next is this, I call it a cookie jar. This is originally $19.99, okay. And these are brand new, like they just released this, and they're part of the Christmas clearance. It's crazy. It's huge. This house could be out year-round. Next is this tree skirt. I can't believe I found it. It was $39.99 originally. Like they were sold out everywhere during, you know, before Christmas. And I don't know, it was just my luck, I guess. Me and my friend, we went and we actually found 3. So we each took one. That is an amazing find. And next, okay, these houses is from the dollar spot. Originally $5. These are 90% off, okay? The Christmas dollar spot. So I paid 50 cents. I grabbed 4 of these for next year. I love these houses, and these are the big ones. I couldn't find any of the smaller ones, but it's okay. It's still pretty. And wooden tree. Look how cute. Originally $3. I found 3 of them. So pretty. And if you don't like the brownish, you can always repaint them. And then I found these metal houses, okay? I found the galvanized one and these black ones. They were $5. So I paid 50 cents. They're really cute. And this headband set right here, isn't it cute? So I pay about $3 for this. This is originally $10. I love the velvet color of the headband. It's really, really pretty. And the bobby pins too. Okay, and I got this barn, and it lights up. See? It was $10. And this, I think, yeah, this is it's like a chalk sign. You can write on this. It was $3, so I paid 30 cents. And then I also found this ornament. It's Countdown to Christmas. It was $2.99. I found a bunch of these actually. Okay. Next is, let me see what this is called. It's called Woven Lock Holder. This is from Threshold Studio McGee. It was originally $50. Okay. So I paid $15. I'm so excited about this item. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is huge. I wanted this when I first saw it, but $50? No, I'm not paying $50 for this. $15? Yeah, I'll pay $15. It's huge. I can't wait to use this next year. Right on my fireplace and put the wooden log on it. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and then, oh, almost forgot. I found this silo and windmill set. I forgot how much it was. I think about $5. No, it was $10, okay? So 70% off. Isn't it cute? Oh, I love this silo and the windmill. It's really, really sturdy design too. It's not like thin, you know. Love that. Okay, and I saved the best for last. I already used it in my home. I already used it to decorate, so I can't show you guys, but I will show you guys how I decorate it. It's the Hearth and Hand vase. In picture, it's not really big, but in person, oh my gosh, you guys, it is huge, okay? And it's so pretty. It's a white vase with, a stripe of red line that goes around it. Okay, let me show you guys, okay? And here it is, you guys. I'm pretty sure most of you guys will recognize this vase. It is really hard to find, okay? It comes in 2 sizes. This is the bigger one. But for some reason, the bigger one, they don't have a lot of quantities. But the smaller one, there were so many of them. Like I said, it is much, much bigger in person. And I already use it to decorate for my Lunar New Year. As many of you guys know as Chinese New Year. Our Chinese New Year is in February. But yep. I love this vase. It's so pretty. And I think, let me double check, see how much it is, and I will have it in the corner of this video for you guys to see for the price. And it's like under $10 after 70% off. Isn't that crazy? But yep, all of my Christmas stuff is down. Some of it is still right here. Need to take it down to the basement, but yeah. I almost forgot to show you guys. I also grabbed this Santa animated climbing Santa. Climbs up and down the ladder. I think it was, oh, here's the price. Like $65, okay? And 70% off of that. My kids will be so happy and excited next year for this climbing Santa. When they see it in Target, they always amazed. And also, I got these plaid rug for $2.99. Okay, I got 2 of those, and I got 2 of these for $2.99 each. I can't wait to put this out next year.
The halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.